Hi and welcome to christinescrafts.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pentagon from a square of paper. Really useful for lots of origami, especially making a 5-pointed star, which is what I'm going to use mine for. So take your square of paper and fold it in half. Just straight up the middle, but be careful. Do all your folds really carefully and really accurately, and then you'll get an accurate pentagon. Once you've got it folded in half, you're going to take the left-hand bottom corner and fold it up to the top so that it lines up perfectly. Get a good crisp fold. Open it back up again and now take the top left-hand corner and fold it down. Again, lining up perfectly along the bottom. Open that up and you're going to see you've got a cross. We're now going to take the bottom right-hand corner and take it right to the center of that cross and get a nice crisp fold. And then we're going to take the top of that piece and fold it as I'm showing you here to line up with that edge perfectly. Looks like you're making a little ice cream cone on the front. Okay, so yours should look like that. And now take that left hand piece and fold it up so that it exactly meets the top piece. So you can see what I mean there. You end up with a nice sharp point at the bottom. And it should look like that. Turn it over. Make sure all your folds are nice and crisp. And then fold it so that your edges match up perfectly. Just take that moment to make sure it's all perfect. Make sure they're nice and crisp. And you should look like that. Now you're going to take your scissors and cut along that front edge, okay, the top of the front piece of paper. Get rid of your spare bits, open it up, and you should have a perfect pentagon to make what you want with. I'm going to make a 5-pointed star with mine, and if you stay on till the end, you're going to see the video that you can click on, or click on the text below and find the 5-pointed star video. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, maybe even subscribe so you can catch all my videos, and leave me any comments below. So once again, thank you for watching. Bye.